Never lose track of your valuables again. The Dolphin Huthur Tag seamlessly integrates with Apple's Find My network, allowing you to track, locate, and secure your essentials, whether it's keys, bags, wallets, or even pets. Setting up your Hoother Tag is quick and easy. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Enable Bluetooth and connect your iPhone to the internet. Step 2. Power on your Hoother Tag by pressing the button until you hear a beep. Step 3. Open the Find My app on your iPhone. Step 4. Tap Add Item, other supported item to start pairing. Step 5. Name your tracker, choose an emoji, and tap Continue, and Finish. That's it. Your tag is now linked to your Apple ID. Once connected, your Hoother Tag works seamlessly with Apple's Find My network, letting you track your item's real-time location anytime, anywhere. Ring your tracker to quickly locate nearby items by tapping Play Sound in the Find My app. What if your item is lost far from you? Apple's Find My network helps recover it. Millions of Apple devices worldwide act as a secure, private search network. If your lost item is outside Bluetooth range, nearby Apple devices will anonymously detect its location and update it in the Find My app, without revealing any personal data. Left your bag at a cafe? Even if you're miles away, an Apple device nearby can help pinpoint its last known location. Your Hoother Tag's battery lasts up to 9 months. Replacing it is simple. Twist the back cover counterclockwise to open. Swap out the old CR2032 battery and insert a fresh one. Twist clockwise to secure, and done. To turn off your Hoother Tag, press and hold the button. You'll hear 1 beep, 2 quick beeps, 3 continuous beeps. Release the button after the 3rd set, and your tag will power off. If you need to connect your Hoother Tag to a new Apple device, you must factory reset. 1. Press and hold the button until you hear 1 beep, 2 beeps, 3 beeps. 2. Keep holding for 5 more seconds until you hear a long beep. Reset complete. 3. Your tag is now ready to be paired with a new device. Just follow the pairing steps again. Here are some additional tips to enhance your experience. Switch to airplane mode by removing the battery to disable tracking. Restore tracking by reinserting the battery. It will automatically reconnect. Removing your tag from Apple devices. Open Find My items. Select your tag. Tap Remove this device. The Dolphin Huthur Tag gives you peace of mind knowing your valuables are always within reach. Whether tracking your everyday essentials or finding lost items with Apple's powerful Find My network, you're always in control.